It took 6 years, but Amber Heard's disgusting lies have finally caught up to her, and a jury has decided to finally give justice to Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp Amber Heard verdict live updates. Jury sides with Depp, awards $15 million. They decided, after listening to all the testimony that we did as well, they came to the same conclusion. Amber Heard is a lying piece of garbage who tried to destroy Johnny Depp's career by making things up. And in the aftermath, I put up my live reaction. So many people were streaming it, millions of people watching around the world. But of course, both Amber Heard and Johnny Depp have now put out statements about this. And Johnny Depp's predictably is getting a lot of praise. Amber Heard's is getting absolutely annihilated. This is Amber Heard and the statement that she put out on Twitter. As you can see, not only is she not allowing comments from anyone that she's not following, it's also getting brutally destroyed. Look at these quote tweets. 146,000. Well, they just deleted some, didn't they? It looks like they might be deleting some of these quote tweets. Even Twitter's trying to protect Amber Heard still to only 84,000 likes. Amber Heard's getting destroyed in the public eye the same way she got destroyed in court. But I want to read through both of their statements so we can laugh at this idiot a little bit more. The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband. You canceled him. You had him canceled for 6 years. What are you talking about? You're the one who is wielding all this power and influence over the mainstream media, over the blue check marks. And it took a public trial for this all to come out. Honestly, it sounds to me like Amber Heard is doubling down on her defamatory statements. We know she doesn't have the money to pay Johnny Depp, but maybe she's decided to double and triple and quadruple down because that's all she has now. I'm even more disappointed in what this verdict means for other women. It's a setback. It sets back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated. You know what? If you lie, that's what you deserve. You lied about what happened to you, Amber Heard. You are not a survivor of anything. You were not abused. Nothing happened to you. You are a liar, and it's now been proven in a court of law. That's what happened today. And that's why a lot of people are celebrating, because finally we have an instance where we can show, we can point to, look at this woman who lied intentionally to destroy this man. There are some ramifications for your lies, Amber Heard. It sets back the idea that violence against women is to be taken seriously. I believe Johnny's attorneys succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech and ignore evidence that was so conclusive that we won in the UK. Completely different story, completely different legal system, and you know that. I'm sad I lost this case, but I'm sadder still, and I have lost a right as I thought I had in America to speak freely and openly. Shut the fuck up. This woman will not stop lying. This is all she has. She can only lie at this point. She has no reputation left, not in the public eye, not in Hollywood, because now everyone knows that she's someone who's going to lie about things that happened to her for personal gain. Compare that to what Johnny Depp said. Let's just go to Twitter real quick. Let's look at what Twitter's doing. Jury finds both Amber Heard and Johnny Depp were defamed after weeks-long trial. Really? That's the headline you go with, Twitter? When in reality, Johnny Depp was awarded $10 million and $5 million in punitive measures, whereas Amber Heard found one count of defamation by Johnny Depp's lawyer, Adam Waldman, which was $2 million and no punitive damages, which in reality means that Johnny Depp won massively and you're trying to spin this. But let's go to what Johnny Depp said. 6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, the lives of those closest to me, and also the lives of the people who for many, many years have supported and believed me were forever changed, all in the blink of an eye. False, very serious, and criminal allegations were leveled at me via the media, which triggered an endless barrage of hateful content, although no charges were ever brought against me. It had already traveled around the world twice in a nanosecond and had a seismic impact on my life and my career. 6 years later, the jury gave me my life back. I am truly humbled. My decision to pursue this case, knowing full well the height of the legal hurdles I would be facing and the inevitable worldwide spectacle into my life, was only made after considerable thought. From the beginning, the goal of bringing this case was to reveal the truth regardless of the outcome. Speaking the truth was something I owed my children and all those who have remained steadfast in their support of me. I feel at peace knowing I finally accomplished that. I am and I have been overwhelmed by the outpouring of love, colossal support, and kindness from around the world. I hope that my quest to have the truth be told will help others, men or women, who have found themselves in my situation, and that those supporting them never give up. I also hope the position will now return to innocent until proven guilty, both within the courts and in the media. He's basically taken a shot at cancel culture. He's taken a shot at the mainstream media. He's taken a shot at all of these people who have wronged him over the past 6 years. I wish to acknowledge the noble work of the judge, the jurors, the court staff, the sheriffs who sacrificed their own time to get to this point, and to my diligent and unwavering legal team who did an extraordinary job in helping me share the truth. The best is yet to come, and a new chapter has finally begun. Truth never perishes. Signed, Johnny Depp. Big difference in those two statements. You know, one is grateful from Johnny Depp after 6 years of going through this, and one is a lying Amber Heard who's continuing to double and triple and quadruple down on her lies. Embarrassing, and she's getting the backlash that she deserves because this is a lie. And what it really does, this hurts women everywhere, Amber Heard. This does hurt actual, survivors of DV. It absolutely does. Your lies have hurt women everywhere, not because of what this jury did. Not because they got to the truth, but because you lied in the first place. You tried to use your status as a female, your status as an elite, as some sort of weapon. You used it to cancel Johnny Depp and try to ruin his life because you're a bitter, jealous woman. And the entire world can now see you for exactly what you are. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comments below. Smash a like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for notifications, share this video out there, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching, everyone. And a huge shout out to my patrons. I appreciate you guys so much. Want to follow me on Twitter or Instagram? Check out the description below. You'll find links to my PO box and my Patreon as well. And I'll talk to you guys later.